Hello, Fly Babies. It's me, FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday, and we have a 3-layer cake. First layer is routines, 5 routines: morning routine, laundry routine, paper routine, after dinner routine, before bed routine. 5, okay? We also have our second layer of our cake, which is the basic weekly plan. On Thursdays, that is Errand Day. And the third layer of our cake is the zone. We are in zone 3, the bathroom and one other room. So let's get started and see what our day looks like. If you are going to work, this is what your day looks like. You're going to get up this morning and do your morning routine before the children, then put the children through their routine. Then you're going to go to work. When you get to work, you're going to love being there, do your job well, knowing everything's fine at home. If you have delegated part of your weekly home blessing hour today to someone, don't forget to call and remind them before you leave, and then right before you get home, that that thing is expected to be done. And then when you get home, you're going to inspect what you expect. Okay, next, when you get home, wait, let's see. It's errand day, so you can't go to the grocery store today, but you might run some other little errands today from work. And then either delegate the groceries by having them delivered or having someone go pick them up, or you can pick them up on your way home, or you can do them on Saturday. That's your call. Okay, you're going to plan your week and work your plan, and this is going to be part of your time management skills. When you get home, you're going to start your laundry. While the laundry's going, you're going to go through an inch of paper. Oh, I left out clutter check. This morning before you leave, do a clutter check. When you first get home, do a clutter check. All right, then start your laundry, go through an inch of paper. Then go in the kitchen and start supper. While supper is simmering or holding, you're going to work on your zone. Your zone is zone 3, the bathroom and one other room. So if you still have something to do in the bathroom, go take care of that. If not, work on your other room. Okay, so my bathroom is all done. Today, I re-cleared my desk and went through everything on it, got rid of some books that had been stacked there that are where I want them. I want books there on display, standing up across the back, but I had too many. So I went through those. It's not a very hard job. Didn't take me 15 minutes, but that's what I did today. That's my thing. So something like that. And then go back and serve supper. Then you're going to have your after dinner routine. Then you're going to do another clutter check. Then it's time for the kids to get ready. You're going to give them a 30-minute reminder and a 5-minute reminder. Then they're going to do their before bed routine. We'll go through that really quick. Before bed routine is pick up your toys, put your dishes in the sink. If you're old enough, wash them or put them in the dishwasher. Pick out a book, go get your pajamas, go take your bath, wash your face, wash your hair, brush your teeth, put on your pajamas, make sure dirty clothes get put in the dirty clothes basket before your bath, hang up your towels, make sure the tub is cleared out, make sure that the sink is wiped out and your hand towel is hung up. Go into bed, have your story, good night, or read or whatever if they're older. That's it. Then it's time for your before bed routine. I'm going to go over your before bed routine when I go over it with the at-home Fly Babies, so hold tight. All right, at-home Fly Babies, here's your day. You're going to get up and do your morning routine, the children's routine, start a load of laundry, go through an inch of paper. After that, you're going to do you're not going to do your errands because errands are outside of the house. So we're going to do all the inside of the house things first. So we're going to take care of zone 3, the bathroom and one other room. And then we're going to go and do our errands. Remember to do it on a circuit. Remember to have the groceries as the last thing you do. And then come home and put your groceries away. Plan a simple supper. After supper, the family is going to help with the after dinner routine, and then before you know it, it's before bed routine time. So you've taken care of the children, they've done their before bed routine. Now we're all going to do our own personal before bed routine, our 12 steps. The first step is check your planner. The second step is lay out your clothes, your jewelry, and your shoes. The third step is take care of your face. Clean your face, moisturize your skin. The fourth step is take care of your teeth. brush and floss. Flossing is even more important than brushing as an external assistant, I can tell you. Number 5 is take care of your clothes. So hang them up if they're still clean, put them in the wash if they're dirty, but look them over first, whether you hang them or put them in the washer, to make sure you don't need to spot anything. The 6th thing is to take your bath or shower if you do it at night. The 7th is your sink and your towels in the bathroom. In other words, when you leave the bathroom, you want it to look nice. So make sure there's not long hair in the sink, or that there's not a balled up towel by the sink, or that your toothpaste without the lid on it is just laying on the sink, or you haven't put your cream away. So you want it to look nice, so when you walk in the morning, it will look nice. All right, the 8th thing is other. So that would be maybe making your lunch, pulling out a meal prep, getting something out of the freezer for dinner tomorrow, taking the dog for the last walk, something like that, feeding the cat. Number 9 is your dishes, either that they're in the dishwasher and you turn it on with soap in it, or that the last few dishes that needed to be hand washed have been washed and are drying in the drain rack. The 10th thing is your sink and your towel in the kitchen. We shine our sink every night. That doesn't mean we scrub it with elbow grease. It means we give it a little spritz with something nice. I personally love Mrs. Meyer's. You can use whatever you'd like. And then wipe it out with our dirty towel. That's what I do. And then take that little towel and go put it in the wash, put a pretty little towel out for tomorrow morning. Number 11 is to get in the bed in time so that you have about 30 minutes to relax. So if you've set your bedtime for 10 o'clock, you need to be asleep, then at 9:30 you need to be in the bed so that you can read or watch YouTube or watch television or talk to your husband or whatever it is that you do to relax, so that at 10 o'clock you can do step 12, which is roll over and go to sleep. All right, that's it for today. I hope you had a fabulous day, or have a fabulous day, and I hope that you always remember that you are beautiful.